Hey guys, so we are going to install Windows 10 latest version. Watch the video till the end so that you won't get any errors. First step to download all the required files. Now we are going to download Windows 10 ISO file, that is image file. So then we are moving to official website and download the Windows Media Creation tool and open it. When you open the tool, choose the ISO file to download the file and click Next. In the meanwhile, download the Roofers tool to create a bootable device. After download Roofers, open and select the image file. Don't forget to insert the pendrive. Now, in the partition scheme, select MBR, which means Master Boot Record, so that it opens with boot menu. So, you need another computer to download this file. Now, while switch on the computer, that means while booting the computer, press the menu key. In case in my computer, F2 is a key to open the setting menu. Open boot menu and change the bootable device into pendrive. In case you are using the CD disk to boot the file, move the CD disk. Then apply and exit. Now you will be in the Windows bootable menu. Then select the language and click Next. Now with Install Now. Select the partition to install. Here I am deleting all the partition to show you, and this is for just for video. In case you don't have license key, I made a video how to activate Windows 10. Check the description for the link or click up. After few minutes, make your account. Then wait. As per the Windows, we need a lots of patience. So now we in the new Windows 10. So that's all guys. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.